Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Bing search engine. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to simply adjust country for better search engine result in Bing search advanced searching. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here and right click on your window start menu and click on settings. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to search. Then you have to scroll down right here and make sure you go to Bing search history settings. Click on that. Then it will automatically take you to your Bing account right here or Microsoft account. But before you take into this particular page, you will be asked to log in with your Microsoft account username and password. After you log into your Microsoft account username and password, it takes you to your dashboard right here. Now, how do you change the country for a better search engine in Bing search? For you to do that, what you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on this three slider. Then you click on this three slider, next thing you need to do is to click on settings. They take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on country or region. And it's going to take you right here. Now, your country is set to be this. This simply means that whatever you are searching for on internet, this particular country by default is the result you are getting it from. But in some cases, you may decide to search something from another country or region entirely. For you to do that, let's say for instance, you are looking for something from India or Germany. So what you need to do here is to make sure you set your country right here. In most countries, after you select a country or region, this setting won't change based on your location. If your cookies or use a different devices or browser, you will need to set it again. Changing your country or region may also change your display languages and other settings. So you have to take note of that. Let's say for instance, I want to get some certain things from the United States. So what you need to do is to select United States right here. Then with that, you have fully set your search result to the United States. Now, if I go back here, click on this three slider again, and I go back to settings, then you can see now that my country now is the United States. So which simply means that whatever I search on Bing search right here, all the results will be directed from United States as my country or region right here. Now, each time you want to search based on country, you have to do this setting because by default, you cannot change your current location, but you can change your search result country based on your preferred country in Bing search engine. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about how best to use your Bing search engine. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.